All right, let's talk about AI and your job. Here's how to build a career that's totally future-proof.
So the big question, which jobs are on the chopping block first? The answer might actually surprise you.
We all thought AI would go for the simple, routine stuff first, right? Well, something else is happening.
Turns out, those complex knowledge jobs are getting hit with AI way faster than hands-on work.
So what's the secret sauce for an AI-proof job? It comes down to 4 things AI just can't do.
Okay, first up, it's all about human connection, something an AI can't really fake.
We're talking jobs where making someone feel heard and understood is like the whole point.
All right, number 2. This one's about getting your hands dirty in the real, messy world.
See, robots are great in a clean lab, but in the real world, they get stuck. That's Moravec's paradox.
Next up, number 3 is all about that creative spark, thinking way outside the algorithm's box.
AI can follow a recipe, sure, but it can't invent a whole new kind of cooking.
And finally, number 4. This one's less about tech and more about, well, society.
Think about it. You can't sue an algorithm. For the big stuff, we need a human to be responsible.
Okay, so what jobs actually fit this mold? Let's check out our first zone, the human touch.
Fields like nursing and teaching are built on empathy. AI just doesn't have that personal touch.
Exactly. AI can crunch the numbers, but it can't navigate the human side of things. That's our job.
And look at this. For therapists, pretty much the whole job, 98% of it, is fundamentally human.
All right, next up, Career Zone 2. We're talking jobs protected by the physical world.
These are hands-on jobs, like electricians and surgeons. They have to adapt to unpredictable spaces on the fly.
And our final zone is all about strategy, creativity, and just having good judgment.
For these roles, it's not about making stuff. It's about deciding what stuff is worth making.
So the big takeaway here, it's not human versus AI, it's human plus AI. That's the new mindset.
So what can you do? First, find your human edge. Then, lean into it and learn to use AI as your tool.
The goal isn't to run from AI. It's to use it to amplify everything that makes you, well, you.
Hey, if you found this helpful, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share Tech Talk 101. Thanks.